Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Toggl Track still holds up as the top free time tracker in 2025, especially if you're freelancing or managing small teams. Let's get into it. What is Toggl Track? Toggl Track offers simple one-click timers, idle detection, manual entries, and anonymous background tracking. It syncs instantly across web, desktop, mobile, and a browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Why it's praised? Because its free plan includes unlimited time tracking, projects, tags, exports, idle detection, Pomodoro usage, and detailed reporting. Integrates with over 100 apps like Asana, Jira, Trello, Google Calendar, making it seamless in workflows. Reports by client, project, tag, or date, exportable to CSV, PDF, or Excel. What to watch out for? Mobile syncing can be glitchy. Some users report missing entries or delays. Free tier lacks some features like billable rates, task breakdowns, and advanced templates, available only on paid plans. Toggl Track remains a top free tool for freelancers and small teams. It's feature rich and easy to use. If you need built-in invoicing, deeper reporting, or flawless sync across devices, a paid plan or another tool might suit you better. If this helped you pick your time tracker, hit that like and subscribe for more no-flop reviews. Have you tried Toggl? Share your experience below.